Contour gauges are essential for accurately copying irregular shapes for woodworking, tiling, flooring, molding, and custom fabrication. A reliable gauge helps you minimize waste and errors by delivering an immediate template for precise cuts. Number 1. Zosen Christmas Stocking Stuffers for Men Contour Gauge with Engraved Scale. Zosen offers a 2-pack, 10-inch and 6-inch, listed as 10-inch plus 6-inch in the title, contour gauge with an engraved scale designed to resist wear and fading. The kit markets itself as suitable for a broad set of applications, from pipes and ducts to tiling and flooring, making it a versatile starter set. The build emphasizes ABS plastic with a focus on a durable, non-toxic profile and a lock mechanism to hold the copied shape in place during transfer. In practice, the engraved scale helps maintain legibility over time, a common issue with lower-cost plastics where numbers wear off. The locking feature reduces slippage when tracing irregular contours, which is crucial for transferring shapes to a cut lie with minimal deviations. The 10-inch gauge is useful for most furniture and cabinet profiles, while the 6-inch segment excels in tighter spaces like around pipes or stanchions. The lack of explicit metric or centimeter markings on some units can slow precise cross-unit transfers for international projects. Product number 2. Saker Contour Gauge 10-inch Profile Tool with Adjustable Lock. Saker's 10-inch contour gauge emphasizes precise shape duplication with an adjustable lock. It positions itself as a robust option for woodworking, tiling, and automotive bodywork, and includes a locking feature to preserve the traced contour. The model's technical data highlights a durable ABS construction, lightweight profile, and a recognized balance between accuracy and ease of use for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The gauge is particularly effective for vertical measurements, wall edges and cabinet heights, and for capturing height variations like stair risers. The adjustable tension feature helps tailor the gauge to irregular surfaces before locking, reducing the risk of shift during transfer. In practice, the 10-inch size covers most standard room and cabinet dimensions, and the included build quality supports repeated use. The primary trade-offs are typical for ABS-based gauges. Impact resistance is good, but long-term exposure to sun and heat may cause slight surface wear. The scale is primarily imperial, which may necessitate cross-checking if you work with metric plans. Product number 3. Contour Gauge Tool Irregular Shape Duplicator. Ferropeak markets a single-pack, orange contour gauge focused on precision for irregular objects like pipes, circular frames, and baseboard heights. The tool emphasizes high-precision contour capture and a rust-resistant ABS body. Its bright color improves visibility on busy workbenches, and it's positioned as a straightforward, no-fuss tool for quick templating and transfer to cut lines. Performance-wise, Ferropeak's tool relies on a simple push-to-copy workflow. Press against the contour, lock if desired, then trace. The orange color plus a compact form factor makes it easy to handle in tight corners and ceiling intersections. However, as a single pack, it lacks the versatility of a multi-pack or a connectable system, which could be a limitation for users who frequently switch between different gauge lengths. The locking mechanism, when engaged, helps keep the profile stable during marking, but users may want a more pronounced locking screw for high-friction applications. Product number 4. Jorest Connectable Contour Gauge 10 plus 5-inch. Jorest offers a connectable contour gauge system that combines 5-inch and 10-inch segments with the option to splice into a 15-inch gauge. This modular approach targets projects requiring longer profiles or variable measurement lengths, such as larger tile layouts or extensive molding runs. The tool emphasizes a dual-scale design, inches and centimeters, a very thin blade, 0.05 inches, and a tight tolerance when spliced, aiming to maintain continuity across joined segments. In use, the ability to configure 5, 10, and 15-inch gauges reduces the need to switch tools mid-project and is particularly advantageous for long, irregular shapes. The protractor-like spacing and tight splice tolerances, less than 0.06 inches, support precise replication across larger templates. Users will appreciate the adjustable blade tightness via a screwdriver, which helps dial in stability for high-precision tasks such as cabinet inset work or multi-surface tiling. The main considerations are size and weight. At 1.83 pounds, it is bulkier than non-connectable options, and setup time for splicing may be extended compared to simpler gauges. Product number 5. Amazon Basics Contour Gauge Set of 2. Amazon Basics presents a practical value pack with a 5-inch and 10-inch contour gauge, including magnetized back for simple storage and alignment. The set emphasizes durable plastic, rust resistance, and dual-sided scale options, inches and centimeters, making it a sensible choice for beginners or budget-conscious shoppers who want immediate utility without extra frills. In use, the magnets on the back help hold the gauges in place during measurement, which can streamline workflows in tile and flooring tasks where a quick hold is beneficial. The combination of 5 and 10-inch lengths covers a broad range of common tasks, and the price-to-value ratio is highly attractive for new hobbyists, DIY homeowners, or as a spare gauge for a workshop. The main trade-off is that there is limited mention of a locking feature in the standard description, which could affect stability on curved or irregular surfaces during marking. Still, the durable ABS-PS blend provides decent durability for regular home projects.